Hey everyone, happy hump day. This is Louis from L&J Construction Services. I'm going to take you through a project we got going on today. This is a tax deed home. We bought it at auction. We're going to do a complete remodel and flip on it within 45 days. And I'll take you a little walk through real fast what we got going on. We got a new roof going on. We'll take you through the project, through the front door. This one's going to get all new walls, all new ceilings, all new carpet throughout and flooring. You can see this house had major damage. Take you through the project. A little look at the garage. This is what you got for the kitchen. And this is what you got for the backyard. 45 days we'll have this flipped over and back on the market. Give me a call, 239-878-3047. Have a great hump day.